What's up, YouTube? It's a girl, Kaden Official,
And Kalia.
and we're gonna go on the road to run some errands today. So we'll take you guys along with us. Stick around for the ride. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. And let us know what you like to see from us. Alright, guys, we out. Alright, guys. So, welcome to another vlog. This is the intro for vlog number 2. Hope you guys enjoy vlog number 1. So today I'm bringing y'all on the road with me to do some errands. Yeah, we are going to run some errands today. And we're going to stop by my uncle's house to see what's going on over there. So yeah, stay tuned, stick along with the ride. I don't even know if I allow to have cigarette in my thing.
A YouTube video, a cigarette.
No, do you have
It's all for you. It was all for you.
TikTok, all stop. All stop.
I wonder how much them sell on them cheap before.
What?
How much them sell on them cheap before. Yeah. Before she continue to walk, she stop. Can you in a middle road so you not give them opportunity to lift down your blood clean?
You have a move fast, yeah?
I want it.
I'm gone with the black sheep. Stone on the bill I refuse. No of them think we a lose. More of them think we a cruise. Don't even blink and snooze. And that's a dog when I get chink as I move.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go visit my brother. My big brother. First child for my mom. I will go all at one vibe and see what's going on for him. Yes. So if he wants to be in the camera, guys, we will.
Go on my TikTok page when we see him.
So we're gonna see what I want. God damn. And right now we're in where's her name? We're in Watson Grove. Watson Grove, St. Catherine. So yes guys, not Grogger Park fully, but them still say yes sir Grogger Park. It's not. So we are all go down there, see what's happening with him guys. So yeah. Me about me too. Why me about me too? This is time. So we'll see what's going on guys. We'll see what's going on. Alright, stay tuned. If you want to go for one time, they're not going to wait. They're not going to wait. I was thinking about that one.
Okay.
Yes, how's it?
TikTok, all stop.
What's up YouTube? So here now, we did the vlog, last vlog, but we never did finish vlog, so we're gonna put 2 vlogs in one. Also we have one pang for job for you guys,
Yeah.
but it's in the editing process, so come along with us. This is part 2 of a 2-part vlog. Alright guys. Okay guys, we are off to run the errands now. And this Massimo.
Oi,
Yes, Adi.
blood clot.
More big your fuck. So I taxi now. Oh, this is but I'm boxing stuff around. The man then I wheelchair. Yes guys, so we're almost to our destination and now the sun terrible. So we'll see what's going on. Bunny G, you have anything you want to say to the camera?
Sun hot.
Is the sun out? No sun. So about the sun, Father. I put my shoes on my head off. Because I said, put my foot in my head. Anytime I do it.
What am I doing?
I told me I go back to my son in my foot on our back.
Up in a bed, bro.
Afternoon. We in a backyard? No. Did you want backyard? Your front yard though. And it's not for them front yard. We have one front yard. Mr. Land's backyard, this is front yard. What is that? Crazy skin. I don't know. You call them juicy. Puppy 1, puppy 2. Hello. We're in a front back. Okay. Like their mother, not me. What am I doing? Good evening, afternoon. How is everybody doing? Hello. Hey, uncle. What am I going? Never go inside though. Bonnie, cosa alone? I forgot to go for a baby. So this is it. Share my cute.
No.
Hello. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Who this? Helen, why am I mixing up, you know? Yeah, hey. How many things I didn't go on this? You know, next level. But the first thing we say, I'm out.
Where's uncle? No, I cause alone, sir. Outside. The man calls out there. Cause.
Wife?
Yeah, the wife.
So what?
Them they run this one.
Oh, they're on. Who's supposed to run it?
Nothing, no?
So why you never do you here?
No stop. This is true.
And what them have? Bathroom? Garden? So what's the ice garden? I don't see him. Probably he's not here.
He is there.
Why phone? So yeah guys, thank you for continuing to support us. This we just there at chill. We just there at chill and painting. Just don't drink some oats and milk and blah blah blah.
But by the way,
So we're here.
Most time when that special girl they come check with, we just cherish the time when she spend with me. Why? But I'm a bonafide girl. She belongs to somebody else. So when time she circle me, Omar, she can't stay long. Why you never just take man and drape her up and say, my girl, what you do to me?
You can stay longer.
Yeah.
Light up my life like Disney World.
Alright guys, thanks for watching again. Thanks for joining. I'm sweating because I just did a little 1-2-1-2 exercise. But thank you for continuing to support me and my sister's journey. We love you guys. So as I said, it's 2-part vlog. I'm gonna try my best to get better at this thing, but with time. So please remember to like, share and comment and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, the goddess is out. I love you.